tunnel. Hello folks. I've been asked a question, can you fly these cheap drones in a tunnel? And I figure, I haven't done that yet. Let's give it a crack. Found myself a tunnel. As far as tunnels go, this one will do the job. I suppose the question is, will the signal be affected by the tunnel? That's the question. Little mini spotlight, no camera drone. Pretty nimble. Got the joystick. Got my bag. Just make sure everything's all clear before we start recording and flying. There's a bit of wind coming through this way, so it's going to be a bit sketchy starting off. I certainly don't want to end up in a drink. So wish me luck folks. I'm going to be attempting to fly my drone through the tunnel. Let's go. Should I start down here? Or should I start up there? I'll start down here, I reckon. Oh yes, well, goodbye drone. I knew you well. Hopefully this won't end in tears. I shall pair and we shall leave. Well, so far so good. A little bit sketchy, but I'm regaining control, and you know what? We have broken the myth. You can fly your drone with Wi-Fi connectivity through a tunnel. Nicely caught. See if we go back the other way now. Oh, there's a bit of wind here. This could be a bit dicey. I'm having a bit of trouble. Okay, no, I'm going full steam ahead and nothing's happening. Let's go. No, it's not liking that at all. Let's come for a land. There's a little bit of breeze there, which we're having some trouble with. Okay, let's just turn them off again and do a reset. Sometimes that makes a difference to its forward and reverse propulsion. Don't ask me why, but it just does. And into the tunnel we go. Oh, yeah, we're struggling with this a bit. It's windy, but we're just moving forward. I don't want to end up in that water down there. You can see lots of fine controls of the stick. Oh, it's really windy now. Oh, come on, keep going. We've just got to get to the end. Just want to get out to the end. No, I'm fighting it, it's too windy. Oh no, got a bit of a break. Come on, out we go. Oh, terrific, look at that. I think it's at the start of the tunnel there. It's not really feeling the love too much. So of course we can safely fly over there. Our range is pretty good. I don't think I'm going to tempt fate too much by flying it above the water. Oh gee, the wind's really, I could lose this any second in the water. This could be a super duper blooper reel. That's looking pretty good. Oh, there we go. Does the EACHINE E59 like the water? Yeah, no it doesn't. Okay, let's head out of here. Let's go back through. But all I'm going to do is go back through the tunnel. It's going to be tricky because I want to go up here as well as going through here like so. Okay. Looking good. I'm going to go for a launch before I run out of batteries. Which I've just done. When the E59 gets low on batteries, it becomes super unresponsive. And therefore, super dangerous. Let's just have a double check here. Okay. Easy. Let's put it on number 3. Okay. I'm just going to shoot up the sky and show you how high this thing goes, you guys. And yeah, I expect it to crash. Okay. Height test 1. Watch it go. Oh, yep. I'm trying to keep above me so when it fails, so if you can see that, but that's God, that's a long way up. Here it comes. No, I've lost it. Okay, there it is coming down there now. That's it. I'm pretty sure I've lost it up in the scrub. Okay. I have done this before. You thought I would have learnt, but I'm thinking, oh, we went. Hopefully we're still paired. Of course, when you're doing this, look out for snakes. Don't know if you guys saw that, but by hell that went a long way up. Sit rep. Undamaged. It's the highest drone this size I've ever flown. Incredible. This thing just goes for miles. And let's just run it flat. We'll crash it again. I like running these completely flat before I pack up. So that was a bit of fun, guys. Absolutely. I'm going to do another height test when it's a bit calmer. As you saw, that went a long way up. I would say probably around 80 meters, and it looked like it was still climbing and wasn't losing control. So that's pretty impressive from a little pint-sized drone like this. I'm pretty impressed with this thing. And what's more, it can go through a tunnel, which is why we came here, to answer everyone's question: can you fly a Bluetooth-Wi-Fi connected cheap-ass drone through a tunnel without losing reception? In this case, yeah, you can. Awesome. Hope you guys had fun watching this. I certainly had fun doing it. I'm going to go try some more silly adventures. Hey, I'll see you next video. Like, subscribe, message, comment, whatever you like. Hey, if you got this far, thanks heaps. good work, good stuff. I'll check out your video if you subscribe to me. Check out your gear and thought them on. Otherwise, have a great day. It's a nice day here today, blue sky. Catch you next time. I'm going to come out here tomorrow. This is a perfect little water landing to test out my water landing feet I've made for one of my drones. So I want something that's not too rough, that I can reach when it fails. So this will do perfectly. Yeah, I've just made this little floaty setup so I can land some drones on the ocean, on the river. Should be good. Stay tuned for that, it's coming up real soon.